everyone! Welcome back to the Natural English Channel, your daily English practice. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Oliver. Great to have you here today. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. We post a new conversation every single day.
So, Oliver, how's your week going?
Okay, so I need to tell you something embarrassing.
Already? We just started.
I know. So I was texting my friend Lucas this week, and I decided no more get. Too simple, too basic. I want to use better words.
Oh, no.
Lucas texted me, "Hey, did you get my message?" And I wrote back, "Yes, I received your correspondence."
To Lucas?
To Lucas, who was texting me about pizza.
What did he say?
He said, "Bro, are you a lawyer now?" And then he asked, "Did you get some sleep last night?" And I wrote, "I obtained adequate rest."
You obtained adequate rest.
He replied, "Get help," in caps, both words.
He's not wrong. And Oliver, here's the thing. Get is not simple. Get is not basic. Get is one of the most important words in English. And today, we are going to fix your relationship with it.
Please, I really need this.
Let's get into it.
Wait, did you just use get?
I did. And that is exactly where we start.
Okay, so most people think get means one thing, receive. Get a message, get a gift, get a package.
Right. And that is get number one. Receive or obtain. Something comes to you. You get it. I got your message. She got a promotion. We got tickets to the show. Simple and very common.
Okay, that one I know. That's the one I was replacing with received and obtained.
Which is not wrong, but in everyday conversation, it sounds very stiff, very formal. Nobody texts their friend, "I received your correspondence about the pizza situation."
Never again.
Now, get number two. And this one surprises a lot of people. Get as become. When something changes, get is the natural word. I got tired. It's getting cold outside. He got better after the flu.
Oh, So it's not become tired, it's get tired.
Yes, in everyday conversation, become sounds like a textbook. Get sounds like a real person. Think of it like this. Become is a suit and tie. Get is a t-shirt and jeans. Same meaning, completely different energy.
Oh, wow. That's actually really clear.
Get tired, get ready, get excited, get better. These are the phrases native speakers use every single day, without even thinking.
Okay. Get number one, receive. Get number two, become. Is there a number three?
Yes, and number three is my favorite. Get in phrasal verbs. Get up, get along, get over, get through.
Oh, each one is completely different.
Completely different. Get up means wake up and leave the bed. Get along means have a good relationship with someone. Get over means recover from something difficult. Get through means survive something hard.
Lucas never gets up before 10 on weekends.
Classic Lucas. Now, fixed expressions, because native speakers use these all the time, and they are essential for sounding natural.
Okay, hit me.
Get going means start moving or leave. It's getting late, we should get going.
Oh, like let's get going, let's start, let's move.
Exactly. Get a grip means calm down and control yourself.
Lucas says that to me constantly.
I believe it. And get out of here. Two meanings. Literally leave a place, or as a reaction, expressing surprise. No way. Really?
Oh, like someone tells you something unbelievable and you say, "Get out of here."
Exactly. Sarah got a promotion and a raise on the same day.
Get out of here. Really?
Perfect. Learn these as complete phrases. Don't try to translate word by word.
Get out of here makes zero sense if you translate it literally.
0 sense. That's exactly why you learn the whole phrase. Let's put get into two quick real situations. Ready?
Ready.
Scene 1. You were texting a friend. They write, "Did you get my voice message?"
Yeah, I got it. So funny.
Perfect. Natural, instant. Not, "I received your voice message," just, "I got it." Scene 2. You are talking to a friend after a really hard week. They ask, "How are you doing?"
It was rough, honestly, but I'm getting through it.
"I'm getting through it." That is one of the most human things you can say in English. Honest, real, and perfect get.
Get through it. Not survive it, not endure it. Get through it.
Because that is how real people talk. Quick error check. Wrong, she got very boring at the party.
Oh, she got bored at the party. Bored, not boring. Boring describes the party. Bored describes how she felt.
Exactly. And wrong, I need to get rid my old laptop.
Get rid of. The of stays, always. I need to get rid of my old laptop.
Perfect. And before the quiz, one thing I want to say. If get has been confusing you, that is completely okay. It has so many uses. The fact that you are here means you are already getting it. Mistakes are part of the process. Every single one.
Yeah. If I hadn't sent that message to Lucas, obtained adequate rest, I probably never would have learned any of this.
The embarrassing moments are the best teachers.
So don't worry if get has been confusing. Just maybe don't use correspondence when texting about pizza.
That's the line. That's where we draw it. Quiz time.
Ready, let's go.
I blank a really good feeling about this.
I got a good feeling. Receive, get number 1.
Perfect. It's blank late. We should head home.
Getting, it's getting late. Becoming, get number 2.
Good. Did you blank along with your old boss?
Get along. Good relationship. Phrasal verb.
Exactly. She finally blank over her cold.
Got over. Recovered from. Phrasal verb.
And last one, Max has been staring at his bowl since 6 in the morning. Oliver is exhausted. What do you say to yourself?
I need to get it together. Get through the day and then get home and get some rest.
4 gets. All natural, all correct?
Max would agree.
Max always agrees when food is involved. 5 out of 5, Oliver.
I obtained adequate satisfaction from this quiz.
Never say that again. Let's lock it in. Vocabulary review.
Let's go.
Get number 1. Receive or obtain. Something comes to you. I got your message. She got a promotion. Repeat after us.
Get.
Slowly. G-E-T. Get.
Get number 1. Neutral to casual. Works in texts, conversations, and most work situations.
Get number 2. Become. A state changes. I got tired. It's getting cold. Get ready. Get excited. Repeat after us.
Get.
Slowly. G-E-T.
Get number 2. More natural than become in everyday conversation. This is the get native speakers use automatically.
Get number 3. Phrasal verbs. Get up. Wake up and leave the bed. Get along. Have a good relationship. Get over. Recover from something difficult. Get through. Survive or finish something hard. Get rid of. Remove or eliminate something. Repeat after us.
Get up.
Get along.
Get along.
Get over.
Get over.
Get through.
Get through.
Get rid of.
Get rid of.
Learn these as complete phrases. Each one is a different meaning. Each one comes up constantly in real conversations.
And the golden rule. Get is not simple. Get is essential. Avoiding it doesn't make you sound more sophisticated. It makes you sound like you obtained adequate rest.
Let that be a lesson to everyone. And come back to this review and say the phrases out loud with us. Get up, get along, get through. Say them until they feel automatic. That is how language becomes yours. Before we go, something small but important. The words you use in English don't have to be impressive. They have to be real.
Yeah. I think I was so focused on sounding smart that I forgot the whole point is to connect with people. And Lucas just wanted to talk about pizza.
And get, this tiny 3-letter word, is actually how people talk about real life. We get through hard times. We get to know people who become important to us. We get better after difficult moments.
It's not basic at all. It's how life actually sounds in English.
Exactly. And wherever you are in your English right now, you are getting there, one conversation at a time.
One get at a time.
One get at a time. All right, question for you. Which get surprised you most today? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Write a sentence in the comments using get in a new way. We read every single one.
And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who is out there replacing perfectly good gets with words like obtained and received.
They need this. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye. And I obtained great pleasure from this conversation.
Goodbye, Oliver.